Good morning, kindergartners. Happy Monday. I hope you had such a great weekend. It was nice outside. I know Mrs. Heichel got out a lot for walks and just to be outside in the yard. I hope you had some time outside too, enjoying the sunshine. So something I wanted to show you today, something that's a little bit different, is I know some of you have missed our calendar routine a little bit. And I found a cool calendar routine on Starfall. I'm going to link it in our newsletter. Starfall is an app that you can use on your iPad or on a phone, or you can use the website on your computer or your laptop. And it's kind of cool because when you log in, you'll see kind of a general screen like this, and you can kind of see that little calendar. I'll try to link it so that I can get that calendar pulled up right away for you. So you click on the calendar. Ooh, and let's hear it. It's going to play us a little something. I'll make sure you can hear
it. Yippee! It's April 2020. Let's make a calendar.
You get to make your own calendar. Let me turn it there. It's a little bit better. So the arrow is twinkling. That means that's what I hit. Oh, look.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
So it asks you a question on the bottom. And what's cool about Starfall is that it reminds me a little bit of reading A to Z, and that you can hit this speaker.
What day of the week is it today?
And it reads a question for you. So
great job.
I hit Monday.
Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020.
All right, now the arrow is twinkling again, so I'm going to hit that arrow. And if I'm not sure what my new question says on the bottom, remember I can just hit the speaker.
Fill in the missing day and date.
So here's the day and the date, and I can take
Monday,
it and I can drag it where it needs to go on the calendar.
20th. Great job.
Here's the arrow. Not sure what this says again. I'm going to hit the speaker.
Mark any special days this month.
So something that's so special this month is that, well, this week really, is that Finley is our Star Student of the Week. And I see some little stars over here. So I'm going to drag this over to today. And I'm going to put it on our day because today is the start of Finley's Star Student Week. Here it marks Earth Day. It marked Passover and Easter. It even marked April Fool's Day. There's some different things on there. But then you can mark if you have any special birthdays in your family, days that you lost a tooth, or if you know a classmate lost a tooth. So feel free to make the calendar, your calendar, the way you want it. Arrow. Let's see what it says down here.
Choose.
Or I can hit each word and have it read it to me.
Choose a picture for your calendar.
So I get to pick any of these pictures along here. Oop. Earth Day picture. Looks like there's some recycling pictures because Earth Day is coming up. I'm going to keep that one. There I go. I'm all done with my calendar for the day. So if that's something that you want to try out, feel free to do that today. Another thing that I want to show you is today for phonics, you are going to be working on learning the snap word play. And we did this a lot in our classroom, so you're probably kind of familiar with how to do it. If you forgot, I put this in our newsletter for today if you need some help. But when we're learning a new word, we read the word, so you should have the snap word play on your snap word cards. You can read it. Then you study it. Think about how many tall letters are in there, how many short letters are in there. Is there a basement letter in the word play? There sure is. How many vowels are in the word? What do you notice about the word? Is it a long word? Is it a short word? How many letters are in it? Spell the word. When you spell the word, you can just spell it out and say it out loud if you want, or if you remember how we would do dribble, dribble, shoot. So P-L-A-Y spells play. Or you could bat and do, it's hard for me to do with an iPad in my hand, P-L-A-Y play. So try some of those. You can write the word, you can skywrite it in the air, you can write it on your leg, you can write it on a carpet or a floor. If you want to write it on a piece of paper or do some rainbow writing with it, feel free to do that. And then the last word, or the last one, is to use it. So think of a way you can use the word play. I hope I get to play outside today. See if you can come up with your own. At 9:30 today, we have kind of an earlier story time session. I'm doing some different times, hopefully, so that different families can make these different times that we're trying out. We're going to talk a little bit about Earth Day and do a book on Earth Day. Also, I have a schedule up for show and tell. If you have something cool from home that you want to share with a small group of friends, it could be like a stuffed animal, it could be some Legos that you're working on, a puzzle you're working on, a fort that you've built, a cool art project that you did, anything neat that you want to share with a small group, you would bring that to our show and tell Zoom session and you could share it with us. And then the last thing I attached today, this is a little bit more for mom and dad, but we have a Dreambox math program that you can do online, and I attached a letter on how to sign up for it. Just feel free to kind of play around with it today, get logged in. Don't feel like you have to, master it by any means, but if you need any help with that, let me know. I hope you have a great Monday, and I hope I get to see you at 9:30 today. Bye, guys.